डीन कुरियाकोस जी, अब बोलें आप भाषण स्पीच।
Sir, even though the salaries and allowances of an MP is comparatively less than higher government offices, we need to set an example by contributing our salaries for supporting the government initiatives in the fight against COVID-19. Sir, also we can understand the situation that mandated promulgation of an ordinance for this purpose, as the Parliament was not in a position to hold its session during that time. Hence, I am not here to object the contents of this enactment. The amendment to be in effect from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021 deducts a sum of 57,000 rupees from our salary in a month, which being rupees 30,000, 21,000, salary in 21,000 and 6,000 from the salary, constituency allowance and stationery allowance respectively. The total collection from salary, the amount only 50 crore rupees only. In this regard, we would say this is only a symbolic approach. This amount is nothing compared to the financial impact made in the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic. It is less than 0.001% of the special economic package announced by the central government. It is only 0.27% of the Central Vista project. It is only 0.8% of the amount that the PM Care Fund received in its first week. At the same time, we cannot ignore a fact that we have not succeeded in preventing this disease, as we are going fast to have 50 lakhs of positive cases in our country. We have to find out where our policies and systems have failed. If the government would rather reduce the unnecessary expenditure and mobilize its revenue as far, a better economic package would have been procured. Sir, due to several reasons, I can say the decision taken to freeze the MP LADs up to 2022 was a wrong. It is very sad at this time, MP LADs has also been freezed without any consultation or prior information. The government on March 24th issued one circular regarding with the fund utilization of MP LADs for medical testing, screening and other facilities to fight against COVID-19. By that, I have allotted 1.5 crore rupees to various government hospitals in my constituency for purchasing medical equipments, including ventilators and for infrastructure facilities. Sir, at that time, unexpectedly, government have taken the decision to freeze 2 years MP LADs, that is 10 crore rupees. After some days, withdrawn the previous year's second allotment, 2.5 crore rupees also. So totally 12.5 crore rupees have been transferred to contingency fund. Currently in my constituency, the number of patients are very high. Fortunately, it is lowest in Kerala, but the infrastructure facilities and the medical ventilators like the medical equipments are very less comparatively than any other districts. If the MP funds not been freezed, we could have been utilized these 12.5 crore rupees for purchasing the medical equipments and providing infrastructure facilities. Sir, in my strong opinion, MP LADs must be brought back, and money saved from reducing the salary cut must also be added to that. There can be a conditional clause for a certain period that this fund should be allocated only to projects related with healthcare.
Yes.
In this words, I am concluding, I am supporting this ordinance, but I am objecting the wrong way of approach the government.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much. I would like